Question 4. Which of the following shows 1/4 of the figure shaded? This question is under the topic of fractions. Approaching this question, we can first identify the fraction of each figure. For option 1, we can see that 1/5 is shaded. For option 2, the circle is divided into unequal parts. Hence, we are unable to determine. For option 3, 2/8 of the triangles are shaded, which is equals to 1/4. Option 4, we can see that 4/9 of the boxes are shaded. Now, we can directly see that our answer is option 3.